Hello children, welcome to maths class. Let us learn exercise 3.3 question number B4 here. Question number B4. So question is based on linear equation only. We know there will be two things unknown, and then solve the question by substitution method. First convert the situation into equation, linear equation into two variable, and then solve by substitution method. We are known to substitution method, but how to convert it in the equation form, it matters. So let us understand. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. Let us take this example from, we go for hiring a taxi. We talked with the taxi driver. He said that there is fixed charge whether we go 1 kilometer or 10 kilometer or 20 kilometer, but that fixed charge is compulsory to pay. And then how many kilometer we will travel, according to that per kilometer there will be fare or charge. Situation is this. So clearly we can say that there are two things unknown to us. What are that? First is what is the fixed charge of the taxi, and another one, per kilometer what is the charge. Suppose we will go 2 kilometer or 5 kilometer, somebody will travel 10 kilometer, accordingly we will have to pay, but fixed charge everybody has to pay. So we will start with these two unknown thing. First unknown one is what? What is the fixed charge of the taxi? So let the fixed charge of taxi, let the fixed charge, enough we will manage with let the fixed charge be rupees X. This is not per kilometer. We will take the taxi, we will have to pay that much money. Then taxi driver told 5 rupees per kilometer, we will go 10 kilometer. So 5 into 10, 50 we will pay, and fixed charge is 100. So in that case 100 we will pay, that is compulsory, and then 5 rupees per kilometer we went 10 kilometers. So 5 into 10, so 100 plus 50, 150 we will pay to the taxi driver. Situation is this, I hope you have understood. Now according to the distance of a distance travelled by a person will be paid. Let us start. Another one then, what is that unknown? The charge per kilometer. Let the charge of taxi per kilometer. We do not know this also. So y rupees per kilometer. Fixed charge X, and then we will go. First condition of the question is saying here, from first condition, a man is travelling how many kilometers? For a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is 105 rupees. So a man went 10 kilometers by that taxi and paid 105 rupees to the driver. How did he calculated the bill, can say, or total fare? So first he gave how much rupees? X rupees, because that is the fixed charge. Then how many kilometer he went? 10 kilometers. Per kilometer charge is how much? Y rupees. So he will give 10 into y. Together that means he will add fixed charge plus 10 kilometer going, charge is y rupees per kilometer, and then he paid 105 rupees. So how easy to convert the situation into equation once we practically think. Then second condition, there may be another passenger, another somebody to travel, the another man, another person for a journey of 15 kilometer, he paid 155 rupees. So he also paid the fixed charge, because taxi driver has told that fixed charge is for my taxi X rupees. Then as many kilometer you go, Y rupees per kilometer you give me. So together fixed charge plus 15 kilometer, Y rupees per kilometer, 15 into y. We will add these two amount and pay how much? 155 to the taxi driver, and this is equation 2. Equation we have converted. There is no doubt now how the statement said, we converted into equation. And then let us start solving. By which method we have to solve in this condition? Question condition is there, solve by substitution method. So don't do it by another method, only substitution method we will use. How is that substitution method? Get substitute for any one variable, either of x or of y. So we see here x is free, there is no coefficient, only 1 is coefficient with this. So x we keep in LHS, another variable y term we send in RHS. So 155 minus, it is plus in LHS, it goes in RHS, change the sign, 15y. So this is substitute. Now where we use this substitute? In another equation. From equation 2 we got the substitute. So we will substitute it in equation 1. We will write that statement. What we are going to do? We are going to substituting what? X equal to how much? 155 minus 15y. Where we are going to substitute? In equation 1. What is equation 1? Equation 1 is x, and we have x how much? 155 minus 15y. So this is x. So x removed, substitute got here, we used here, plus 10y is equal to 105. And after substituting we need to solve. Just simplify and solve, that all we know. Number will send in RHS, this variable according to the sign we will add or subtract, whatever. Let us do 155 we will take in RHS. Here minus 15 plus 10, you all know that minus 5, because minus 15 is having here minus sign, one negative one positive sign, we subtract. 105 minus 155, we have here minus 5y equal to 105 minus 155, we get minus 50. Minus is gone, y equal to, even we can cut from here also directly, 5 tens are, or you bring one step down, 50 by 5, 5 ones are, 5 tens are, 50. So y is 10. What was our y? What we have assumed? The charge per kilometer. That means per kilometer charge is 10 rupees. And then fixed charge was what? We have got substitute x equal to something. What was that? 155 minus 15 into y. Y we got 10. We get here 155 minus 150. We get 5. That means fixed charge was 5 rupees and per kilometer 10 rupees. We will write in words. Therefore, the fixed charge is x, that is we got 5. So, rupees 5, and the charge per kilometer, that is rupees 10. And you can verify your solution also. Fixed charge is 5. So, let us see equation 1. 5 plus 10 y rupees, 10 rupees per kilometer. So, 10 into 10, 100 plus 5. He paid 105 rupees when that person went 10 kilometer. Then another person had gone for 15 kilometer. So, fixed charge is sure to pay 5 rupees, and then 15 into 10, 150 plus 5. Another person paid 155 rupees. That means we are correct. We just can verify our solution of linear equation in two variable. But there is something more to do. What is that? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer? So, a person is traveling 25 kilometer. Now, we are calculating for that. A person travels 25 kilometers. So, how much money he will pay to the taxi driver? Person travels 25 kilometers. That means distance he is going 25 kilometer. How he will pay? He will pay 5 rupees fixed charge plus 25 kilometer he is going, 10 rupees per kilometer is fare. We have got it here, fixed charge 5. So, that is compulsory to pay, and the charge per kilometer is 10. So, he is going 25 kilometers. So, he will calculate his amount how? Fixed charge plus distance into per kilometer, what we have calculated the charge. So, 5 plus 250, he will pay finally 255 rupees for 25 kilometers. Hope you have understood. We see you in next video with new solutions. Your exam is also approaching, 2022 board exam. So prepare it well, and if you have any doubtful questions still you have to learn, you please give in comment section. We'll upload the video of that solutions. See you in next video then.